nice little bit of aluminium. Added to this month's pile. You can see that bit at the end. This is it. I don't think the screws are. Oh, well, two of them are. That's all for the bin. I thought it would just pull out. Aluminium, that could be stainless, but it's quite light. What's this? Steel. these chairs come off now. All the women out there will be like, you press this, you do this. Typical man. It is like a seat, isn't it, that comes off, but... Oh, I'll have to get Irene out to have a look. That's why I just hate picking prams up, but you know when you just go, oh, you know what? There's not much out there, I'll take it. And I know all the women will be like, there you go, boom, done it. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit of metal on it, but not that, no. What's that? I think that, I don't know if that's plastic. Sure. Let's see. I know they're supposed to be baby proof, but they're adult proof as well, aren't they? And does that even come away? Should do. Should just go off. Come on. Oh, it's that side. Where's that side? These studs, yeah. A little bit of metal on there. It's loads of plastic. If I can clean it up a little bit, I'd put it in the air like iron, but in the can it's just going to tip. Because it's just too much waste on it, isn't it? Yeah, how does that even slide out? Oh, not now, sort it out in a bit. This was not a bad little find, was it? The aluminium, yeah, wheelchair. Let's get this cooker out first. It's just tin. Good strip and wire this in. Good strip and wire. Me saying that I strip wire also. It doesn't make no odds to me. That looks like a bit of brass. Let's take that off and see. Waste not, want not. I think that's these ones are just going to release the bits of wire, aren't they? They're not actually keeping this thing on. I haven't brought the hammer out with me either. the brass is falling off. Yeah. 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 Why? Yeah. 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 Oh. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Oh, she's telling me about the granddaughter doing her ABCs and stuff. I'll see you in a bit. Sinking around, I'll see you first. I mean, I don't know, they might be something, but I should leave that. Steel, alley, no steel. Steel. These are aluminium. Nice set of wheels them. I've never tried taking these tyres off before, so I don't know how they come off, to be honest. They're not they're just solid rubber, aren't they? Not inflated. I should imagine them screws are steel, are they? Yeah, they'll have to come out. But that's alley, spokes and that. Well, clean them up. Steel, wasn't it? Quite heavy though. Oh, there, Ollie. Just keep the two from them off. That'll be steel, won't it? Or maybe the black bits, not just catching on the inside. Some nice little pieces on that. Happy with that find. Haven't found an aluminium wheelchair for ages. They got on your freaking nerves. Nice little motor to take off. Bit of wiring. Oh. These are heavy, these things. Although they slide alright on the lid. Ooh. I tried something a little bit different today. I tried mounting the GoPro on the peak of the cap. Oh, is that a safety screw? Just to see if it's a bit easier to operate in that, because I was using the strap that you... I've always had the strap what goes on top of your head, but I thought I'd try the cap. So I drilled a hole in the peak this morning and put a little tripod mount on it. Oh, come on. Ali. They're nearly always Ali now, aren't they? They're very rare you get them with the... I think that's why a lot of people just stop stripping them altogether. Because they're like, you know what, let's just weigh it in as is and have the weight rather than mess around stripping it. Because I mean, once you've opened it up for the transformer, you may as well keep it all, mightn't you, and do the wiring that way you're in there. And get the magnets on. They're alright strip. Nice little bit of copper in them. Forgot about them screws, I thought I'd done them now. You should have these two screws holding them, and then two little clips there holding that fan motor. The bin. A little bit of copper, a little bit of heavy. See these capacitors? Do you lads sell these on as iron in the alley, or won't the yards take them off you or that? I was thinking of trying a tin opener on them, you know, round the top. Take that out and then just sell that as just you know, like whole sheet. So, don't know, it's just a thought with the, I thought maybe, it, you know, I don't think Irene would be too happy if we get the tin opener out the house, like, but if it works I can buy a new tin opener. But I've got a few of them knocking about. I haven't done nothing with them, but just wondered if you lads get any alley for them, or whether you don't take them, but because of the capacitors. I'm not bothering taking no more. There's bits of copper in, and there's a little transformer thing there, but I haven't brought the hammer out with me. Yeah. I really want to use these tools to start snapping things. You just end up breaking your tools. No, just leave that for now. Leave that for now. Not that important. Do. Oh. Day, Allen's. Let's see what size you fit. It's borderline, a bit rusty. Oh, that one. Yeah, it's the right one. Didn't think that was going to get it then. That certainly hasn't. Nope. That was alright. Get that out. I might snap off now. Let's see. That'll do. That's for the bin. Well, that's it. See, the scrapyard one at least 70% metal on your stuff, and there's no way there's 70%. That's well heavier than that. So that's the reason I take them off most of the time, because they only start asking you and go, you know, can you go back and take that off? And also, when you keep going in with rubbish all the time, you know, you keep going in with this, with scrap metal, with tons of plastic on and tons of wood, you just get a name for yourself then. And then they'd be like, watch out for him, he tries to throw all kinds of crap on. I know, I thought that seat would come off. I thought that seat would have just come off there then. Let's keep it on. Oh, I see. Maybe you can undo that. And the metal bar slides out. That's for the tip. It's all steel. Yeah, it's all steel. Yeah. Where to go? I don't want to try and close that in too much because probably going to take that tomorrow. Them radiators, got another couple in the van, and I've got all the car bits there, so got a little bit of heavy to take, so I might take that tomorrow, start the week off. Monday tomorrow, Sunday today. You said Sunday was a day of rest? Because I'd like to meet them. So what are you giving everyone false hopes for? Oh. This double radiator was well heavy. Gone. Yeah. Just leave this up here for now. Just leave it there. Let's start with this one. It's a bit lighter. Take the brass off. Take the brass off it. Hey, you know what? Couldn't fold that down when I picked it up. And now the radiator's hit it. Oh. I struggled getting that in. I was trying to get it in there at first and then had to jig things around to get it in the back. Oh, I've got the wrong size spanner, have I? Oh yes, got the wrong size spanner. Right. Let's get this out. I need a bit of water sloshing down in there. Let's try that again. Now it's working on this one. I need to start my brass bucket off again. See what we've got at the end of the month. Go up to the old anvil yard and weigh it in. Might have to go and get another spanner. There's all the water. Let's try it again. Oh yeah, I think it's swimming on it, to be honest. It's got a little tiny bit there, but I don't think it's enough to, yeah, to spin. Oh yeah, I have to get a smaller spanner. Yeah. That's too big for the bin. Maybe. Just leave it there for now. Be back in a minute. Got one spanner fits all in there. I've got a smaller one, see if this is. Yeah, feels a bit snugger. That's it. Excuse me. Oh. Let's deal with this bad boy now. Maybe this one. Need a bit of water sloshing around there. No, I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? I think I'm saying on it. Making it harder for myself. Oh. Stood up. Right. We've got it now. A little bit of brass. I was going to use the dolly, but I've just made too much of a narrow gap for myself down there. So we're going to brave it. See if we can. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, there's some weight in there. Oh. Stay there, be good. Yeah? Okay. That's steel, isn't it? Yep. Oh, my dinner's calling me now. Just had the shout. Dinner's done. So. Not a bad little pile of heavy there. I mean, I'm looking at it thinking maybe £80, not in weight, in money. Yeah. A little bit of brass on there as well. Yeah, I think that's all it's in. I don't think that. Oh, that might be. Let's see. Oh yeah, no ferrous. Oh, I'll have to revisit this. It's stainless. This was steel. See, which made me think, oh, I'll just take the wiring. But yeah, revisit that. Snip that there for now. Yeah. Revisit that in there. That's steel. So is that. So yeah, but this box, the water tank, by the look of the stainless, so just looking to see if it was like, you know, welded against this bit, but it looks like it's just standalone. It's got insulation in there, so yeah, I'll take that apart at some point. Just leave that there. Yeah, see, that's what made me think it was all steel. Well, that's it, guys. Going for me dinner now. Get that dolly back in. Yeah, I'm going for me dinner, so if you stuck around this long, well, it's much appreciated, and maybe we can grow this channel, who knows. The channel was originally just set up just so that when me and Irene are long gone, they can just click the telly on and, you know, still see our face. Well, not so much my face now, but you know what I'm saying is they can still sort of almost like you're still there even though you're not there. But yeah, just put the videos out mainly for them to watch in the future, but I enjoy doing them, so you know, it's just something to do. May as well document how you go, mightn't you? You know, warts and all. You know, at the end of the day, people are going to slag you off no matter what you do in life, so it's like water off a duck's back, innit? Just let it go. Who cares? Who's really that bothered? I'm not. You know yourself, you put yourself out there, the YouTube channel will grow, you know, and as it's growing you get your keyboard warriors. Oh, you don't want to be doing it like that, you want to do like, you want to do this, you want to do that. Well, yeah, but everyone's got their own way of doing stuff, haven't they? And some people are just learning, and some people are experienced at it. So at the end of the day, I just do it my way. Right way, wrong way, who cares? as long as it gets done, and as long as you get the money at the end of it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra for now.